This program is very helped me a lot to get a job, sir.
Hmm.
Actually, before when I didn't get job at that time, I have some fear to speak in front of people in English. So when I did these assignments and when I joined in this program, um, I actually lost my fear in front of speaking to someone in English.
Hmm.
Right now, I'm getting little bit better as compared to previous. So
Okay.
it helps me a lot to get a job also.
Okay, very good. So you actually joined to this program, that you don't have job and you want to improve your communication skills. So within what point of time you have got a job? I
I
mean, looks
got
like I think you joined around May, right? If I'm not wrong. In
yeah,
1 month you got a job. Okay, great. So you are into the mechanical field, right? So basically, so is it helping? What are the skills which you learn in terms of speaking and writing? I think you have done only speaking and writing, if I'm not wrong. So what are the strategies that you learn in speaking and writing? Is it helping you?
yes, sir, it helps me a lot because when I did assignments in front of camera, it helps me a lot because with that only right now I am speaking with you very fastly and a little bit fluently.
Confidently, yeah.
Uh,
So I can make out that. So you need to practice a lot still, side Chaitanya. So this is basically just a beginning. You just finished the course, but still you need to implement all your learnings, and you need to implement all that stuff that you have learned at your workplace as well. Okay. So wishing you all the best, and congratulations from my side. Come on, everybody, cheer up and cheer up Sai Chaitanya because of his hard work and all the efforts that he has kept in our course, which has brought him the results. Right? So, well done. And we'll send you this certificate via email to you. Maybe you can do the print off, and I might also able to send you the hard copy of this. Okay? So the second person of the group I want to select is Mr. Saju. Hello, Saju.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm doing good. So wishing you all the best. So you
Thank you.
completed the. So you can see at the heading certificate of completion.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
So certificate of completion for finishing your IELTS mastery program, and I think you joined somewhere around March. When you joined?
February.
February. Okay, so for the past 5-6 months, you have done the hard work, and I can see that you have uploaded the goal writing on consistent basis. Even today, you have uploaded the goal writing, which is really appreciable. So, what are the strategies which you learned in this course? You got to implement that in your mock test. Okay. So yesterday I have told the plan in terms of what you need to do next for next 2 to 3 weeks. So after this graduation, I'll be talking to you in a more detailed way that how you can able to implement all the stuff in the mock test and get the desired band score. Okay.
Okay.
So tell me, what are the three qualities, things that you learned in this program?
Actually, before I joining IELTS program, I was not able to that much confidence, and I can't talk more in English. Actually, used to I have a basic knowledge only. Once I come to this course, it helps me a lot to improve my basic skills in terms of learning lot of things. In terms of a video and taking speaking in part of talking about speaking part. I was lot. I have a lot of nervous in myself, but after completing the speaking skills, it helps me a lot to improve. So overall, this 6 month the course helped me a lot to improve my learning skills a lot.
Okay, very good. That's really appreciable to know. So what is that you're planning to do in future once you get a good score in IELTS?
Yeah, I have a plan to abroad, but at present some family issues and financial crisis. Once it will be make up, I can surely I will be planning for abroad.
Okay, don't worry, Saju. The thing is, IELTS score is valid for 2 years. Okay,
Yes.
so in 2 years, things might change. So it will not be the same mindset that you have it today. Within two
Yes.
years, so many things might change, and you might go to abroad as well in future. Never know. There are a lot of students like
Got
that
it.
who actually drop the plan in terms of not going to abroad, and later they have changed the plan, and your IELTS score is valid for 2 years. Okay,
Yes.
and our academy certificate also will add the weightage for that, because as I said, our academy is in USA, Australia, and India as well. Really, all the best, Saju. Really, you have been a very good student to me, and there were no any complaints. And at the
Thank you,
same
sir.
time, you have been very sincere and honest whenever I asked you to say something. And really, it's a great effort that you have put in
Thank you,
this
sir.
IELTS mastery
Thank you.
program.
In
All
this
right.
occasion, I also like to tell having like a mentor like you surely is a grace of God. I thank God.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure to meet you all as well. So, because I'm attached to you guys as well, that's the reason I keep giving a lot of motivation and inspiration via emails and all that stuff. And keep reading the emails. And weekly, at least twice or thrice, I'm sending the emails. Okay.
Okay.
Those are the words from my heart. And more or less, virtually, I'm connected with you guys. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So, wishing you all the best, Saju.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. So, next person I would like to call is Bharat. Hello, Bharat. Yeah. So Bharat has been a very helpful team member for me, because whenever I ask him to follow up with other colleagues and at the same time to do any kind of task, his answer will be always yes. Even today, I asked him to call a couple of members for the graduation party. He did that, right? So Bharat, you have been a very sincere student for me, and also very honest student whom I can trust in this group. And at the same time, you have done all the tasks which I have been asking you, right? And in fact, I created a communication plan for you since 1 month. So do you
Yes,
feel
sir.
it is working for you?
Yes, sir. It helped me a lot. And one more thing is not about the strategies. One like I was irregular, and then you helped me to build the mindset as well as skill set. In fact, that brought me a step closer to my goals and to improve myself in a different manner.
Absolutely. So tell me, what are the three things that you liked in this program?
One thing is yesterday's one about the drafting mails in a professional manner. Even that helped me to understand the concept how to draft a mail to officials without creating any conflicts. And so we by using those strategies, I can send mail to anyone without any confusion and without making any mistakes. And yeah, I hope it will help me to enhance my career as well in terms
Okay.
of
Okay,
career
that's
growth.
very good. Very good. Thank you so much for saying that. And I want to ask you another question. You have been a witness for reading, writing, and
Yes,
speaking.
sir.
I think you are not yet associated with listening yet. So,
Yes.
out of these three modules, which module you felt it is more interesting?
For me, um, reading and speaking, sir, because reading it like we all are involving like we can say that it is a healthy competition as well, who is going to answer first out of all the people. So that makes me more interesting with your strategies, and we all chasing the answers together. And after that, speaking, though I feel a bit underconfident initially, but yeah, we need to at one point of time we have to come out of that comfort zone, and we have to speak, and we have to show what we are
Absolutely.
to this world, so that
Exactly. So that is the reason. See, being a part of being, although the title of this program is IELTS Mastery, so we do train the people on mindset. Because what we strongly feel is mindset plays a major role in a competitive exam like IELTS. Next comes the skill set. Okay, mindset, skill set, and action set. These are the three stuff where in which we cover in this program. It's not just IELTS. So in fact, you guys would have been seen every live session at least 15 to 20 minutes. I do the general talk, so that to make you guys comfortable, and at the same time I make the people very interactive in nature. Otherwise, it will be very boring. It's just one-on-one, right? So that's how generally my methodology. And at the same time, as you guys have seen, that I'm very strict in terms of tracking your assignments and also your attendance, as well as in compliance with regards to the live sessions and all that. So because the thing is, I'll tell you the reason why I do that. Because this is not just a spoken English exam. This is not just a spoken English wherein which people teach you grammar, people teach you essay writing and all that. But this is the IELTS exam, wherein which you have to showcase that you are skillful in listening, reading, writing, and speaking. And you got to get 8,777. Even if one module, if you get 6.5 or 6, you have to repeat the exam once again. I don't want any of my students to get into that state. And that is the main reason why I keep pushing you guys. And sometimes I was hard on you guys. So I really apologize if at all you guys took it in a hard way, because I want to mold my students like a diamond. Once they get graduated from my course, I want them to take all these learnings and they need to implement that in their lives. Okay? So as a proverb says something like, whatever you do one thing in the life, you do the same thing in 2 different areas as well. The way you give the feedback in my WhatsApp group, you might repeat the same thing at your workplace as well. So I have to correct you then and there. This is not the right way to give, right? So there is a learning, if at all you guys take it in a positive manner. If you guys don't take it in a positive manner, so I have only one thing to say, good luck. But you have been a great student, Bharat. Let me tell you, let me appreciate you. In fact, that is the reason why I pulled you into my sales team as well, instead of by giving you additional responsibilities, in spite of you having your regular routine with regards to office and all that stuff. But still you try to balance. You never got irritated with me, with my words. I'm really thankful for you as well, for understanding and being a great student. And I want people like you in my team. All right.
Thank you.
So thanks for the great feedback, and I wishing you all the best. But still, although you are not part of the program, maybe another 15 days, right? So, but still, we'll be connected virtually. You'll be getting the emailers from us. You'll be part of our community. You'll be getting the learning. You'll be having access to learning portal. All right. So anyhow, you're not writing IELTS. You're just for the communication skills, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. All right. So nice talking to you. So let's discuss with others. Bye bye. Okay, who else is there? Okay, our master of the team, Girish. Hello, Girish.
Hi, Satish. Please don't call me as master of the team. You are the one who's running the show. Come on.
So, but still, you have been a witness since many months, and at the same time, let me appreciate you. Whatever I said, Bharat, I'm reiterating to you. You have been a wonderful student as well. So you have been consistent with regards to assignments and also the live sessions. Many times we had phone interactions as well. It was really lovely talking to you, and your hard work got paid off. Today I'm issuing you a certificate saying that you have completed the course. So make best use of these skills. What are the strategies that you learn? Please implement that in your mock test. So I think next 2 weeks you'll be doing your mock test, right?
Yes.
So I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
And so I need to know, like, what are the 3 things that you learned from my course? Let's say, I think reading was the toughest module for you, right? So with regards to speaking and writing, what did you learn?
No, when I joined this course, I was under the impression that speaking would be the toughest part, because I had to speak. I mean, it would involve me in speaking in front of the examiner. But having said that, when as the course progressed, when I completed my IELTS listening module and then shifted to reading, that's when I could see where I was failing, because that was an area where I was not able to score the marks, the expected marks. So then I understood what it is, and then you had told us the strategy, taught us the strategy, and then now I understood that reading is one of the toughest modules in IELTS. So now I have changed my version to saying that reading is the toughest part in IELTS.
Okay, you'll get through that. In fact, I can see that you're practicing a lot of mock exercises. In fact, halfway through you're already, right? So another halfway through you need to cross the hurdle. And tell me, what are the 3 best qualities that you like in me, in my working style?
I mean, the top thing has to be your mentorship, how you're mentoring people and how you're guiding them, and how you just value your students and how you teach them your core values, and how it should be implemented in life. That is one main thing which I liked about your in your class. Other thing being your strategies you have been teaching us all these months, and the third thing should be probably how casual you are, or how approachable you are in terms of coaching the students. So you are easily approachable, and I should really thank myself for having found a good mentor.
Thank you so much. It's all because of the greatness of you guys that I could able to mentor you, because it's all about the drive that I get. I get the drive by talking to you guys. I get the drive by coaching you guys, because coaching is being my passion. And this kind of feedbacks, in fact, I got it from lot many people, because that much of interest I'll show and attach to my team members until unless they do their assignments. But only thing is, people hate me is at the assignments. With regards to assignments, I'm very, very strict. I have to be, because if they don't score well in the main exam, so all the effort they have kept it for the last many months, it goes for waste, right? And at the same time, the thing is, I'll give the instructions very strongly sometimes, because that needs to get into their mind, right? So that is the main reason. At the same time, and if at all in this process, if I hurt you in any manner, I really apologize for that. And at the same time, let me tell you, you have been a great student for me. And for the last 6-7 months, I had an opportunity to train you on various modules: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So, and I wish you all the best. And I want you to implement all these learnings even after you going to abroad as well, right?
Sure.
So anyhow, we are virtually connected. So I'm always there around for any kind of support.
In return, Satish, I would like to thank you for having had the patience to coach us despite so many despite the problems which we had on the professional and the personal front.
Yes,
having understood our problems, and then trying to make up with the other batch. Other students.
Absolutely. See, the thing is, I'll tell you one thing. See, it's all about individual journey, and that's the reason we deal each student on case-to-case basis as well. It's not about me sharing all the information and keep pushing, do the assignments. But if the student is not committed, if the student is not performing whatever we expect for, it is very difficult for any institute to train them, to take them to the next level, right? And we try at our level best. We see at least for 2 to 3 months we are successful, because we have our own core values. We generally iterate to the people, this is how it works, this is how it doesn't work. And yeah, we have almost 90% students, we have got a very good students luckily. And they're all being consistent and at the same time compliant with regards to live sessions. And that's why they are successful actually. All right, congratulations first of all, once again. And for all the hard work that you have put for all these many months, and I wish you all the best for the future.
Thank you so much, Satish. Thank you so much.
All right, so all are covered. Okay, we have Amarjeet joined as well.